You know what's better than making money? Getting paid while sitting on a beach, sipping coconut juice, doing absolutely nothing. Today, I'm going to show you how dividend investing can make that real for you. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. Warren Buffett. And listen, we're not here to work forever. We are here to build income streams that don't need us clocking in. Let's break it down. Part 1. What are dividends? Dividends are cash payouts companies give you just for owning their stock. And you don't have to sell, you don't have to trade, and you don't have to lift a finger. It's like rent checks from a tenant, except you don't have to deal with toilets, termites, or text messages at 2 a.m. Part 2. Why do companies pay dividends? Some companies are cash cows. They're not chasing explosive growth anymore. They got consistent revenue, strong profits, and loyal customers. So what do they do with all these cash? They reward shareholders, you, with dividend payouts. That's what companies like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson do. They're not flashy, but they're reliable, and reliable builds wealth. Part 3. Dividend Reinvestment Plan, or DRIP. Let's talk about DRIP. When you enroll in DRIP, instead of pocketing the dividends, they're automatically reinvested into buying more shares. And those shares, they earn more dividends, which buys more shares, which earns more dividends. And that's called compounding. You're building a snowball that never stops growing and you never touch it. Part 4. Dividend yield versus dividend growth. Here's a pro tip that separates beginners from seasoned investors. Dividend yield is how much cash you get for every dollar invested. And dividend growth is how fast that payout grows year after year. Dividend yield is tempting, but if a stock is paying 12% while crashing 30%, are you really winning? Look for companies with history of increasing dividends, even in tough times. Part 5. Sample portfolio. Let's keep it simple. Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol J&J, consistent, recession-proof. Realty Income, ticker symbol O, pays dividends monthly. Procter & Gamble, ticker symbol PG, defensive and global. Here's another good one. Gladstone Commercial Corporation, ticker symbol GOOD, G-O-O-D. See, I told you it's a good one. Now, that's a boring portfolio, just like your ex-boyfriend. But boring gets you paid. So here's the moment that it all clicked for me. So I was in Turks Caicos for a vacation. It was my first time there, and the waters were clear. And I was walking in the beach like I'm a shampoo model, of course. And right next to me, there's this couple sitting under an umbrella with their laptop open. And they got charts, they got Excel spreadsheets and stock ticker symbols everywhere. And they're not relaxed. They're panicking over tech stocks and checking RSI levels, moving averages on a vacation. And I'm just standing there holding a coconut thinking, this is why I love dividend stocks. Because while they're stressed about intraday resistance levels, I'm thinking about grilled snapper and where I left my sandals. And my dividend stocks didn't need me. They just there and kept paying me. I didn't come to Turks to trade. I went there to have fun while my money's working for me. And that's the game. Part 6. Avoiding dividend traps. Don't chase high yields without context. Look for companies with strong balance sheets, long histories of dividend payments, low payout ratio so they can sustain it. If something looks too good to be true, it probably is. Remember, real gravy doesn't come with a side of panic. Part 7. Build your own monthly paycheck. I got a nice hack for you. Some stocks pay in January, April, July, October. Others in February, May, August, November. And some pay monthly. And if you mix the right dividend stocks and ETFs, and boom, you get monthly cash flow. It's like building your own paycheck without a boss and without clocking in. So trading is cool and growth is sexy, but dividends are freedom. They're calm, they're consistent, and they're passive. And in a world full of noise, that quiet cash flow is a powerful thing. This is the secret sauce. Please smash that like button if you got value today, and hit subscribe if you're building a future where your money works harder than you do. for more investing, finance, real estate, and macroeconomics. Let's all learn wealthy together. I'll see you in the next video.